What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic. There's a fly in here. Luckily, I have some bug spray. I think I got him. Hopefully, it's not my grandmother. Currently sitting at 94 cents, down 8% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 8.14 billion. 24-hour volume, 514 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. You can sign up to either exchange, email me, or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, completely free if you sign up to one of the exchanges, email me or sign up email. So we're starting to pull back as expected here. We've already come down to the 0.382 at 92 cents, which is also the point of control. But I would expect you to break a little bit deeper. This is a minimum target for a wave 2, but if we are pulling back in a wave 2, I would expect you to at least come down to in between 0.799 and 0.88. As I mentioned, if you break 0.799, higher likelihood is you're going to see continuation to the downside. But personally, I don't think that's a likely scenario. As we can see right here, we're pulling back to the daily EMAs. We had the bullish cross. So if we can hold those EMAs and we bounce, then there's a higher likelihood that we've already completed the wave 2 pullback. As I mentioned here, wave 1, A, B, C flat into a 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside for the price of Matic. So hopefully we come down to that range. I'll be looking to add to my HODL position down in this range here. That doesn't mean we won't break lower. But that's the risk that you take when investing and when buying crypto. Yes, it can always go lower, but you just have to look at what you think is the higher probability. Taking a look at Ethereum, where's my ETH chart? Here we go. Same thing, we pushed up in a 5-wave move. We broke down from this rising wedge with that bearish divergence we were watching here. So there's a couple scenarios. If this is a wave 2 pullback for ETH and now we're shooting up in a wave 3, so we came up in a wave 1 and then we pulled back in a wave 2, then what I'd be looking at is this is a 1-2, 1-2 setup. You're pushing up in a 3, you would pull back in a wave 4, and you'd push up in a wave 5. I'm just going to quickly remove this box because this is what I think is the likely scenario. So what you would do, take a fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of your wave 3, and you would target in between the 0.236 and the 0.5 for a wave 4, usually in between the 0.236 and the 0.382 with a maximum tracement of the 0.5. So that's in between 1482 and about 1348. You pull back in a wave 3 and push up in a final wave 5, which would complete a larger wave 1 to the upside. Now, if we do break 1348, then higher likelihood that this could be a wave 4 and you would still come down in a lower low wave 5, and this is just a massive bull trap still on the table until we break the invalidation point of 1779. Same thing with ETH. I do think you're coming back down to the EMAs. We got overextended. We've had the bullish cross. So if we can hold the EMAs, see how we failed to hold the EMAs right here. But if we hold the EMAs and you're pushing up in a wave 1, basically you're looking at a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2, wave 3, pull back in a wave 4, hold the EMAs, hold the bullish cross, push up in a wave 5, complete a wave 1, and then you'd pull back in a wave 2, and then you'd see continuation to the upside and potentially breakout of this massive ascending triangle, which is a very similar pattern to what we saw in the previous bear market bottom. We bottomed out and we created an ascending triangle, and we did come back down in the Corona dump, but that was a black swan. But we're doing pretty much the same thing. We bottomed out, we're creating an ascending triangle. So do keep a close eye on that. So that's basically it for this little update. I would expect us at least to come down to our target zone here in a wave 2 pullback for Matic. As I mentioned, if you lose 0.799, excuse me, how inconsiderate, then higher likelihood of coming down in the ending diagonal. But as of right now, I don't think that's a more probable scenario. But we'll have to see how it plays out. All right, gang, sign up to either Bybit or BitGet. Most of my trading I'm doing on BitGet. I have most of my HODL positions here on Bybit. Sign up to either or through my referral. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as signals, news updates, see how the members are doing with their trades. They like to post their gains. See what I'm doing with my Hodl alt plays, $10 a month, same price as a Netflix subscription. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.